Do you have a spreadsheet and you have calculations across different sheets and you're constantly having to flip back and forth to check how the calculation on a different sheet is while you're adjusting values on other sheets? Well, let's see a feature that can save you time. Okay, I have a spreadsheet that's actually quite basic. Normally when I use this at client site or on my own spreadsheets, the spreadsheets are a lot more complicated, but this is just to show you how it works. So on this sheet, I have just a number of units, and then I have different calculations. So revenue is the unit cost plus 80% and then times the unit. And then I've got the total cost, so how much they cost and how much profit. And that's for each of those products. And then on the summary, I have a total revenue, total cost, and then this is just subtracting the two of them so I know how much the profit is. Now, I haven't put all of the units sold in, so as this changes, I want to keep an eye on, say, profit, cost, etc. So I can do this by either clicking back and forth, or I can use this watch window. Now it's up in the formulas tab, and you go across and it's here, watch window. And I can add a watch. I can actually add 3 here, 3 very quickly. And it shows me the cells they're in, the sheet, the book. So I can have several workbooks open, especially if I have calculations across workbooks, and it will then show me what the values are. It also shows me the calculations within. Okay, and then if I select one of these, I could delete it from the list, but I'm going to keep all 3. I'm actually just going to move this down because as I go back to my other sheet, I can see the watch window. And as I change this, you can see that not only this spreadsheet changes, but all of the values in this watch window. So then I go up and, oh, I've just sold another few. Oh, maybe I made a mistake and this is actually 53. There we go. So everything changes. It's showing me my values, and I can keep an eye on everything in one place. And this window, you can see I can move it around. But also, if I put it at the edge of the screen, it docks it, so it doesn't interfere with my whole spreadsheet, and I can just kind of move it across till I see what I want, and then if I drag it off, it undocks. Okay, and I should, there we go, be able to dock it at the bottom. And this way, if I have lots of values, I can still see the information all across if there's lots of, say, complicated formulae. Okay, so as I said, you just drag and you can dock. Drag and dock. Okay, or drag the heading off. And I can close the watch window at any point. So that's how you can keep an eye on calculations across sheets or workbooks, and it's called the watch window. Please put in the comments how you're going to use this and whether you think it might be a useful tool for you. And if you like this video, found it useful, do click on that thumbs up. It does help. If you'd like to see more videos, then do subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.